Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Techie Fest. This is Pavani and today I came up with another new topic. Okay, in the last class we have learned how to get a website like this, how to insert an image and how to move the card using the deflex properties like that. In this video we will learn how to add another image in our website using another way by using the HTML element, that is nothing but of image element. Okay, we will learn about that, and we will also discuss about void elements, and we will also discuss about the CSS margin property. Okay, in today's session we will try to prepare a web page like this. Okay, there is a background image with and there is a heading happy food, and there are cards. In the cards there are heading and paragraph, and there is some image like this. Similarly, there are 4 cards. Okay, we will learn how to do this. Okay, if anyone doesn't watch my previous videos, please go through them, and I will go give the link in the description. If you don't see them, you will be unable to understand this. Okay, here to get this, first we have to insert an image, background image. For this I have used the CSS property, and I created a rule set for background image happy food bg image, and I gave a background image and URL as its value, and I give height as 100 VH and background size cover. Due to this I need to connect with the HTML page. Okay, and I connected with the div container using the class attribute. Okay, this will give the background image. Okay, and next we need to add a heading, that is happy food. For this I have used h1 h1 element, and I gave happy food as the text between them, and I wrote some CSS properties like color white and font family robot, and we have already discussed these properties in the last sessions. Okay, and I connected this with the HTML page using the class attribute. Okay, now we will see how to add this card. Okay, for this, first we need to give a div container. In the div container we need to write heading, paragraph, and we need to insert some image. First I will write a paragraph with look at this, what is the heading? Pani Puri. Okay, I gave Pani Puri, and in the paragraph, one of the favorite food of the children. Have a look at this. Okay, this is my paragraph, and I wrote some CSS properties for those things uh, by using the CSS rule sets happy food h. This is for heading, and happy food card, this is for card for both paragraph and heading, and I specified some of the properties not in the combined, specially for heading and specially for paragraph. That's why I wrote them in the special rule set. Those are font family and color is for both fonts, those are that is different. Okay, and here I gave, you can observe that in the card, for the card I gave margin property. Margin means the distance between the outer container and the background. That means margin specifies the space around the 4 sides of the HTML element. Okay, this is the card is my HTML element, and and there is a space between the card and the background image. Okay, this is called margin. By adding this margin, there is the space between the cards, and the space between the card and the image background image came. Okay, and I connected this with the HTML page, and now we will see how to add the image. Okay, for this I used HTML image element. Okay, this is HTML image element. To understand this, first we need to discuss about the void elements. Void elements means we have also already discussed about that, that is an element contains a starting tag and ending tag, but there are some elements in the HTML tag that they have only starting tag but not the ending tag. Okay, image element is also an void element like that. Okay, here I have used image element. I think you got clarified about the void elements and image. In the image I use class property image, that means I define some height and width using the image css property image name, and I connected with the class. In those I have written height equal to 100 pixels and width is 80 pixels. This defines the size of this image. Okay, 80 pixels and height is 100 pixels. Okay, and I connected this, and in the src attribute, look at this, in the image tag I gave src attribute. In src attribute I gave the url of the image as the value. Okay, this is the syntax for image tag. This will give me an image like this. Okay, to move this image to side, I used deflex properties, that is bootstrap deflex properties. Okay, for this I used deflex and flex hyphen row. Flex hyphen row defines the direction, that means I need to align the text and the image side by side. That's why I used flex hyphen row. Okay, similarly these cards I prepared 4 cards similarly like this, and I used the same CSS properties here also. I didn't write another for this, and I wrote only one, and I used reusability. We also discussed about the reusability, and I used the here, and I changed just only text. By changing only text I achieved this. Okay, I worked for one card and I repeated it for another cards. Okay, by using this code we can prepare a web page like this. In the future videos we will discuss about how to connect the video, connect the web pages. Okay, thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.